In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pay link in GoDaddy. If you want a quick and simple way to collect payments from clients without building a full online store, creating a pay link is a very useful option. A pay link lets you set up a specific item or service, generate a shareable payment URL, and send it directly to your client so they can pay you bsula and securely. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that from your GoDaddy dashboard. To begin, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Payments section. This is where GoDaddy keeps the tools related to accepting and managing payments. Click on Payments and then find the area for pay links. This section is designed for creating direct payment links you can send out individually, which makes it especially helpful for invoices, one-time services, or custom product requests. Once you're inside the Pay Links area, click the button labeled Create Pay Link. This will open the setup screen where you can enter the payment details. Take a moment here to make sure the information is clear and accurate because this is what your client will see when they open the link. Start by entering the item name. This should be a short, recognizable title for the product or service you're charging for. After that, enter the amount you want the client to pay. Be careful to double check the number before moving on, since this determines the final charge. Then add a description. The description is helpful for giving your client a little more context about what the payment is for, especially if the item name is brief. Keeping this part clear and professional can help reduce confusion and make the payment process smoother. After you've filled in the item name, amount, and description, click Create. GoDaddy will then generate your pay link for that item. Once the link appears, copy the URL so you can share it with your client. You can send it through email, a message, or wherever you normally communicate with clients. Before sending it out, it's a good idea to quickly review the details one last time to make sure everything is correct. And that's it. You've successfully created a pay link in GoDaddy and now have a direct payment URL ready to share. It's a fast and convenient way to get paid while keeping the process simple for both you and your client.